This tutorial is to help you get started with Twitter for our class on the history of the Mexican Revolution. As you can see, I'm at twitter.com. I'm currently not logged in. This is what you'll see when you go to create your account if you don't yet have one, or if you go to log into your existing account. If you'd like, you can stay logged in after you've created an account so that when you go to twitter.com, it just logs you right into to your account, so you don't have to do this step every time. If you need a new account, either because you've not had one before or because you've decided you don't want to use your existing Twitter account for class, which I totally understand, you have to decide how you feel about that if you already have an existing account. If you're in that case, you'll go here to this sign up button, you'll click that, and you'll follow the step-by-step instructions to create your account. If not, you can either click login and use your account credentials to log in, or you can use the boxes right here. I'm going to do that since my information is already right there. This is what you'll see when you first log into Twitter. Here in the center is your Twitter feed. That's where you will see tweets from everyone that you're following. Over here is where you'll see your information. So you'll see your name, your Twitter handle. Mine is at CNMBrandon. You'll just see these numbers, how many tweets you've posted, how many people you're following, how many people are following you, and so on. And if you click in this box, you can see your information in full screen. All the rest of this stuff is less important. You can personalize your account however you'd like to. You can follow who you would like to. You can follow me, but you don't have to. I do suggest that you do send me a tweet, though, so that I can make sure to see you on Twitter and be sure to give you credit for all of the work that you do on Twitter, especially because right at the very beginning, because of the efforts that Twitter has to avoid spam accounts, your tweets probably won't appear in the class hashtag search right off the bat, or at least that happens sometimes. So if you send me a direct tweet at CNMBrandon, then you'll be able to, know that your work will be recorded. To see what's going on for class, and that's really what the most important thing is here, you want to go to the search box up here. If you're using the Twitter app on a tablet or a phone or something like that, you should see the same features, although in a different kind of order, a different presentation. But no matter what, there will be a search box. To see what's going on for our class, you'd use the # HIST 466. And I just wanted to point out here that even though we have an undergraduate and a graduate section in this class, the hashtag for everyone is Hist 466, just so that we can keep everyone together on the same page. We'll be working together on Twitter, grad student and undergraduate students and myself alike, so we'll just use the one hashtag. So when you do the search, this is what you will see. What we're seeing right now are the top tweets for Hist 466. Don't ask me what makes something a top tweet because I don't know. But if you want to make sure that you don't miss anything, that you just see the most recent tweets in order, click live, and there you go. I will share things of interest relative to Mexican history and the Mexican Revolution over the course of the semester. I'd encourage you to do the same, even outside of the requirements for our reading tweets. As you scroll down, you'll see what else, or what all has been posted to the class hashtag thus far. Joanna's already gotten some of her work done and posted her initial 4 tweets. So if you want to respond, you can use this little arrow, click that, and it will open up a box so that you can type a response tweet to your peers or to me. If you want to post a new tweet, you can go up to this button here that says tweet, or that has that little kind of paper and quill icon, and here you do type, if I can type what you want to say for the class, and then you do the course hashtag. You just type it in, you'll notice that it turns blue, because it'll serve as that way of filtering everything that's been posted for our class. You can use other hashtags as well. So if you want to write, the reason you might want to do that is just so that you can be sure that your tweets are searchable for other people outside of the class who might be interested in the Mexican Revolution. That opens up avenues to talk to them. You don't have to do that. It's just an option. That's one of the things that Twitter does. So I'll post this. You'll see it in our course Twitter feed, and you'll see, I guess I know that from the tutorial video, but just so that you can see how this works. So you'll notice that even though it says live, you haven't yet seen my new tweet appear there. While we're waiting for that thing to appear, and again, be patient because it takes it a minute sometimes, I want to show you one other thing. It's called TweetDeck, so you go to tweetdeck.com. I'm already logged in to my account here, but if you're not logged in, you just use your same Twitter ID and password for tweetdeck.com. Here's a different way of organizing Twitter. So over here, the home column, that is the main Twitter feed that we saw when we first logged into Twitter in the other view. This way, you can still see your home feed, and you'll notice that it does update in real time. And then you can also keep track of other hashtags you'd like to follow, so you don't have to do a search every time. So for example, I've saved columns for all of my different classes that I use Twitter with. So I have a New Mexico history class, Latin American history survey class, and our course, History 466. So I have a column here, and this just shows all the tweets in order. It doesn't do that top tweet thing, and it updates in real time. So you can see what's going on. Again, that's just an option if you'd like to use it. It's a way of following other hashtags as well. There's a few that I follow. I have my user column, so this is everything that I've been tweeting. Notifications are things that people tweet to me. And so again, that's just there in case you're interested in it. I'll pop back over one new result. There's the tweet that I just created. So I hope that's helpful for getting started with Twitter if you haven't used it before. Every time that you post for reading tweets, you'll just want to make sure that you use this course hashtag in your tweets. Remember that part of the exercise here is to write concisely because tweets are limited to 140 characters. Heard rumors they might expand that, but for now we're limited to 140 characters. And so, again, the idea is to really just point out some of the key issues that we find in the unit's readings or the module readings and videos and discuss them here through Twitter. All right, I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. And again, I hope this was helpful.